Welcome to the session 7 of the Simatic Manager training series. In this session, we will see how to make a logic for the simple DOL starter. Before starting today's session, make sure to subscribe this channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Let's see the setup for the today's session. As you can see that we have a start push button which is connected at I0.1 input of the PLC. Next we have a red stop push button with normal close contact. This push button is connected at I0.0 input of the PLC. Next we have a motor protector breaker. Its normal close auxiliary contact is wide at I0.2 input of the PLC. Next, we have a motor contactor which is energized by the Q0.0 output of the PLC. Let's see the program for this DOL starter application. First, we have inserted a normal open contact of the start push button I0.1. When we press this button, this contact will get closed and it will energize the output coil Q0.0 at the end of this network. As this output coil Q0.0 turns on, its normal contact here also gets closed, and this will hold on the Q0.0 output through this path. Next, we have inserted the normal open contact of the stop push button and overload contact in series. These contacts are closed now. As these contacts opens, it will break the path and turn off the output Q0.0. As you can see that if we press the start push button, this contact closes and turns on the output coil Q0.0. Here, this contact of coil Q0.0 also gets closed and it latched on the Q0.0 output. It will stay on even if we release the start push button now. As you can see that the Q0.0 output coil is now latched on through its own normal open contact. As you can see that now when we press this stop push button, it had opened up this contact I0.0 and it had turned off the Q0.0 output of the PLC. Same way this overload contact will work. In case of motor overload, this contact opens and turn off the Q0.0 output. So this is how to program a simple DOL logic to start a motor. I hope you like it. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.